It all starts with a voice. Your voice. The judges will guide you on your journey.
You ate it and left no crumbs.
I want to make sure it's the best people that get through.
I like it. It's a yes for me as well.
The viewers will decide the ultimate champion.
After all the votes were counted, Nigeria, you have made your choice.
But the real question is, do you have a voice for victory? Nigerian Idol is back.
It's Chima!
Online auditions for Season 10 open Friday the 17th of January and close on Sunday the 2nd of February. To enter, simply visit africamagic.tv/Nigerian Idol and upload a 30-second clip of yourself singing. This is your opportunity to show Nigeria your talent and be unstoppable. Nigerian Idol Season 10. Your voice, your victory. This is Nigerian Idol. Nigerian Idol is brought to you by Biggie.